Signal processing and instrumentation is the module we're looking at putting online. So the reason why we picked this module to go online is historically instrumentation. If you go back maybe 30 years, we used to be physiological technicians, and as physiological technicians, we were meant to be able to use and do first line maintenance of all the equipment we used. Over the years, we've changed, and there has been a shift between medical technologists and physiological measurement. And so we no longer have to use or fix the equipment. So we wanted to use a different variety of activities. Most of our lectures are acquisition, and we were trying to find a way of making it more practical.
Yes, the real challenge for this module was to think about how we could take the existing module, which was very much lecture and PowerPoint driven, and how to make it more experiential, particularly when we're thinking about the online context. So our first approach was really to look at to really audit and review the existing course to see how much it already resembled 70-20-10, and it was fair to say it was more like 95-5 learning. I think this has also been a positive. I think probably for the first time the university as a whole has really had to engage with online learning and think about what it can be, rather than just a repository for slides and lectures, and a lot of the concepts that we have learned from the co-design, such as 70-20-10, is actually informing our framework. We're building a framework. We're about to publish it to give guidance to academics about how to adapt their teaching for online. And so what we've learned here is actually going into that framework and will influence the institution as a whole.
I think one of the greatest achievements is the opportunity to learn about co-design framework and also to implement co-design principles in our module. As part of the process, I think we believe we have the understanding now to design online content. Overall, it has been a great experience for us to understand and implement co-design principles. Yeah.